Let's start with a simple question. Take 1, add 2 to it, then 3, then 4, then 5, and keep on repeating a series. What will be the final answer? Some of you might say the answer is infinity. Well, it's not. The answer is -1/12. Wait, how can the sum of all the positive integers results to a fraction and that to a negative one? Well, it does. And it is a pretty important result in all of the quantum mechanics and string theory. Without this result, the string theory cannot exist. This was given by none other than Mr. Srinivasan Ramanujan, the man who knew infinity himself. The previous result was fascinating, isn't it? Well, in this video I'll be discussing some more interesting facts about Ramanujan that you might not have heard before. So, bear with me. Let's start with the first fact. Some of you might know that Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887. But did you know that he was extremely fortunate? He was the only one who eventually survived among his other 4 siblings. And wait, there's more to the story. When he was just 2 years old, he contracted smallpox and he survived it, unlike the other 4,000 children who could not make it that year in that same district. Well, if you do some mathematics, you could find out the probability is pretty small. I don't know the exact answer as I'm not Ramanujan. So let's move to the second fact. In India, 22nd December is celebrated as the National Day for Mathematics. Wait, you guys don't know it? You should go and study some GK, please. And the fact is, the year 2012 was declared as the National Day for Mathematics by our ex-PM Dr. Manmohan Singh, honoring Ramanujan. So, moving on to the third fact. Let's talk about some black holes. Wait, why black holes? Because they are fascinating and they deserve to be there in this video. Well, it's not the case. You will see the relation. In 2012, mathematician Ken Ono gave the black hole equation describing the behavior of the black hole. In an interview, he says that he, along with his team, were able to put up this formula only after reading one paragraph written by Ramanujan over a century ago. Here you can just... It will be a great injustice if we talk about mathematics and mathematicians and we do not introduce the pi. So here is a fact relating pi and Ramanujan. When Ramanujan was in Cambridge pursuing his PhD, he came up with 17 ways for representing 1 by pi as an infinite sum. One of which was so good and so precise that it has been used by mathematicians to calculate the value of pi up to 17 million decimal places. And 17 million is not a very small number. Some of you might get bored after hearing so much facts, so there is a small story for you. The story has 3 characters: Mr. G. Hardy, a fellow mathematician of Ramanujan, Mr. Ramanujan, and the number 1729. So Ramanujan is ill in the hospital and Mr. G. Hardy comes to visit him. Mr. Hardy comes in a taxi with number 1729. To G. Hardy, the number 1729 was just an ordinary and a boring number. When he tells about the number 1729 to Ramanujan, Ramanujan quickly exclaimed. He told, the number is very interesting. It is the smallest number which can be expressed as a cube of 2 different integers. For example, 1729 equals 12 cubed plus 1 cubed and also equals to 9 cubed plus 10 cubed. Well, it is pretty interesting. And the other number which can be expressed in this manner is 87539,319. Pretty interesting. What was common in Isaac Newton, Mr. Einstein and Ramanujan? Well, they were the fellows of the Royal Society. Being a part of Royal Society is as honorable as receiving a Nobel Prize. Ramanujan was able to achieve this at the age of just 31 years, making him the youngest one to do so. He was also the second Indian ever to be a fellow of the Royal Society. On top of that, he was the first Indian to be ever elected as the fellow of the Trinity College. Ramanujan once said, and I quote, "An equation for me has no meaning. unless it is expressed as a thought of the god. In his short lifespan of just 32 years, Ramanujan independently compiled over 4,000 important mathematical results and equations, which has a varied application in all of the physics, mathematics, ranging from number theory to string theory. Ramanujan was a mathematician of the highest caliber, and it is unfortunate that he did not deserve what he should have. So that was it, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.